Alright, have you ever wondered if when I make these videos, it takes a long time for me? Well, let me tell you the truth. Not really. Because I don't really edit and stuff like that, the process takes pretty fast. In fact, let me give you the recipe and all the ingredients to how to make a Yakov Chessel content video. Alright. Number one, have something to film this. Number two, come up with an idea. Since we're not really doing any editing and stuff, having the idea is 50% of the work. Number three, try to make sure it's maybe slanted toward inspirational slash thought provoking. If you can get that, there you go. Right. Number four, turn on the camera. Number five, get filming, but take as many takes as you need. An example, I think I'm on the fourth take right now. There are times when I'm tired or just annoyed, and I'm like, okay, that's it. I'm just gonna go with this take. I don't care. But yes, try to make sure to get the video down to how you would like it. There are many times I make a video and it's completely different by that last take than it was in the first take. Alright, bonus steps you don't need to follow, but I guess they add a little extra pizzazz. Wear a hat. Sound annoying. Play with your hair weirdly obsessively, specifically hair at the side of your face. I'm not exactly sure why. Something like that. Alright, so now that we have that, oh yeah, and one more extra bonus step. Make sure that your face is close to the camera when you turn it off and when you turn it on. It's not needed, but you can always sort it. Alright, and finally, last ingredient, publish. Once your video is all published, okay, there you have it. Pie takes up less than 1 page on a cookbook, how to make a Yakov Chessel content recipe. Very simple. Alright, hope you all enjoyed my recipe, and I hope you all have a great night. I keep saying, I said you all. I think it sounded like y'all, but I was trying to say you. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Alright.